The bearing buddy bra is specifically designed to keep grease off trailer wheels. Any attempt to overfill axle hubs with grease causes the bearing buddy automatic pressure relief feature to operate. If an excessive amount of grease escapes, it can be thrown on the wheels during trailering. The installation of the bra over the bearing buddy eliminates this condition. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and work great. I rebuilt a 1996 boat trailer and part of the rebuild was to clean and refill the bearing buddies. Only thing I was missing were the caps. This was a cheap part to pick up and serve their purpose. I've put about 60 miles on the trailer so far and there are no signs of these caps wanting to come off.